Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and this is part 2 of our free pattern outfit, sport, athletic outfit sew along. I'm not sure what I'm calling it, but anyway, last time we made this beautiful top that I'm wearing right now. This is the Cassie top by So Much Ado Pattern Company. So cute. Today we're making the free, well, this one was free too, but today we're making the free Jackson Leggings by Styla. I'm using this gorgeous fabric from Boho Fabrics. Both are from Boho Fabrics. I'm so excited. This is going to be so cute. Let's get started. All right, I do have a red thread here because I'm going to change the thread on my serger. This is the closest color I have for serger thread, so I think it's going to be just fine, but I'm going to change that. This gorgeous fabric is from Boho Fabrics. Both of these fabrics are from Boho Fabrics, and let me remind you, I do have a discount code for you for 15% off. I'm going to put it right here on the screen. Is Deanna 15-2025, I think it's what it is. But if not, if I'm not correct, it's going to be here on the screen, so you can look at that. I'm so excited about these. So the thing is about these leggings is that you can add some elastic at the top of the waistband if you want to kind of help it keep it still. I'm not going to be adding that because this fabric has such great recovery. I think it's going to be just fine. I am making the high rise option just because I want it to be high-waisted and hopefully cinch me in. So I am going to change my thread, but I'm going to go ahead and get started and put this together, and then we're going to go and change my thread as I go ahead and sew. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our legs and we're going to match them right sides together at this inseam because we're creating 2 legs. Now, this is such an easy sew. I think some people get intimidated by leggings and they are like, oh, I know I can't make leggings. Leggings are like so easy to make. Now, there are leggings that have different varieties, like different things to them, and they get kind of more involved, which I love, like patches and stuff like that, and like all the fun things that you can do with leggings. But if you're just making these basic leggings like these ones, it's actually very easy to sew, and you'd be so surprised. And they are actually very forgiving because they are very kind of usually really stretchy, so it works really well. So we're gonna do that for both legs. I'm also gonna prep my waistband. Like I said, I'm not doing the elastic. If you were doing the elastic, you would mark your waistband, the center piece here, you would mark the center. You would sew them right sides together like I'm going to right now. But before you attach it to the pant, well, let me do this part. Let me show you this part first, and then I'll show you what I'm talking about. So we would attach the 2 sides, right sides together here. Okay, and over the line that we would draw here in the center, we would grab an 1-inch elastic and we would sew it at the edges to make it one on the round. Then we would fit it over and we would zigzag stitch it to the waistband right at that line that you created all the way around. Obviously lifting this up so it goes all the way around. So you would attach it at the center of the waistband so that way when you fold, that elastic will be right there at that waistband. So you can go ahead and do that if you want to. You don't have to. It helps like your keep the leggings up so they don't slide down or anything like that. These are just gonna be like comfortable leggings for me to wear around the house. So I think I'm gonna be okay. Also, this fabric has really good recovery, so I think it'll be fine. I'm hoping I don't regret it, but I might. So we'll see. Now we're gonna grab one of the legs and we're gonna turn it right side out, not both legs, just the one. And we're gonna fit it right into the other leg, right sides together, matching up that crotch area. So where that crotch is right there, we're gonna match those up together, right sides together, and clip these tails off. And we're going to go all the way up one side and then all the way up the other side. Okay, and we're going to sew around that crotch edge there. Then we'll come back, attach the waistband, hem the bottom of the leggings, and honestly, I don't have thread set up on my serger, so I may not even hem it. We'll see. Hem the bottom of the legs and we'll be done. Like, that's how quick this is. That's it. Time for waistband. We're gonna grab our waistband here and fold it wrong sides together. Gosh, this I just can't get over it. I know you probably heard me say this 1,000 times already in this video, but this fabric is so stinking soft. I just can't get over it. Like, I literally keep petting it every time I get a chance. Can't help it. All right, so, oops. Okay, so once it's folded, I do have my marks here on my waistband. So those marks are my center marks, and we're gonna match those up with the leggings. Match it up here at the front, and then match those side seams. Well, there are no side seams, so we're gonna have to match up the front and back and go to the sides. Oh no, I do have a mark. I did put the mark on there. Sometimes I'm lazy and I don't put the mark. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, I'm doing that again because I don't know what I just did. Match the band, right sides together. Okay, on the center front, on the side seams, on the back. And then we're gonna go ahead and sew. And we're done because I don't know that I'm hemming. Is that bad? Comment below and let me know what you think. Do you hem all your knits, or do you sometimes leave them raw, or what do you do? Sometimes I leave them raw, especially if I'm like, I don't have the same color thread. I'm gonna just leave it raw for now, and then later if I get annoyed by it, if they're rolling, if they're annoying me, then I will go ahead and hem them. But sometimes I leave them raw. What do you think? Yay or nay? All right, friends, we are done with this set. These leggings fit so nicely. This fabric is literally so buttery soft. I love it. I love this high waist. This is the high waist version. It is so comfortable. Brings you in right here at the waist. I think it's so good. These will be some leggings that I'll be wearing all the time around the house because they are super comfortable. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Go grab your pattern, come back and sew it up with me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.